Hey everybody, I'm Jamie Proviance, and I want to talk to you today about barbecuing ribs. Now you probably know that ribs cook best over indirect heat. That is, the fire is off to the side. Trouble is, if you're working with a grill this size or maybe one even smaller, there's only so much area of the grill that you can devote to indirect heat. So you might be limited in the number of slabs that you can cook. Well, I've got a solution. This is going to allow you to maximize the number of slabs over a very limited area. I call this the stack and swap technique. You can see I've got 3 slabs of ribs stacked on top of each other. The fire is off to either side. And the top slab is browning really nicely. It's been cooking, well, they've all been cooking now for about 45 minutes to an hour. But you'll see if I unstack them, the ones down below haven't begun to caramelize yet. That's going to change. I'm going to take some of my sauce. This is a sweet chili sauce with some garlic and ginger and soy sauce and lots of great tasting ingredients. Just going to brush all of the slabs on the meaty side and then restack these so they now have new positions. The one that was on the top is going to be on the bottom. This one is going to go into the middle, and let's say this one goes up on top. All right, I'm going to slide them all over to indirect heat, because if you leave them over direct heat, they're going to burn on you. But if they cook over here in the middle, they're going to slowly tenderize and have that incredible, great, barbecued rib tenderness and taste. So there you go. Another 45 minutes to an hour like this, and then you swap one more time so that slab that's in the middle gets a little opportunity to sit on top and caramelize nicely. Now you've got 3 slabs, beautifully caramelized, beautifully cooked. It's a happy day, because 3 slabs are always better than 2.